Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Capcut on your PC and creating a new project. Import the video and audio you'll use so everything's ready. Next, drag the main clip onto the timeline and click to select it. This tells Capcut which clip the graph will affect. Once done, open the effect controls or the animation graph panel depending on your build, because you'll apply keyframes and curves there to shape motion or speed precisely. Now you'll add and shape keyframes. Place keyframes at start and end points for position, scale, or playback speed so the graph has anchors. Then switch to the graph view and pick a curve type, Bezier for smooth motion or linear for constant change, because curve choice defines how values transition. Use the handles to drag tangents and visually smooth acceleration or deceleration. Make small adjustments and scrub playback to confirm timing and feel before moving to export settings. To finish, play the entire clip and watch the animated motion in context, then tweak graph handles to remove jitter or overshoot. Once satisfied, render a short test export at 1080p to verify timing and smoothness on other players. This catches any platform-specific playback quirks. If the motion looks wrong, reset or delete problematic keyframes and redo that segment. This quick reset is often faster than tiny incremental fixes and resolves most graph glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.